This Inner Hebrides cruise in Scotland is one of the most relaxing ways to discover this stunning coastline, its wildlife and remote islands. In the safe and welcoming hands of skipper and chef, you will cruise past the Inner Hebridean islands of Lewin, Lismore, Shuna, Jura and the Isle of Mull. The itinerary below includes highlights such as Flata Lighthouse in the Sound of Lewin, the Isle of Jura and Sound of Jura, historic Loch Linnhe in the Sound of Mull. Whichever sounds we discover, they have one glorious thing in common. They are all the sounds of silence. Bring a kayak and windsurfer on board if you want to play some more in the sheltered waters around some of these spectacular islands. Or we can anchor for as long as you like if you want to swap water shoes for hiking boots and go discover some of the loch shores and mountain routes. With so few passengers, we are always delighted to adapt our itinerary to the adventures you want to have. Or, if you just want to chill on deck and enjoy the tranquility of the Hebridean waters, that will suit us too. Our guests can choose to book our St. Hilda or Seahorse too. St. Hilda is a traditional, wooden 54-foot ketch. She is an ex-tall ship and sail training vessel, and on St. Hilda, youngsters and adults love to help work the sails. St. Hilda was built in Scotland in St. Monans, Fife, in a family-owned Miller's boatyard specifically for sail training with a crew of 20, which is why she is such a spacious yacht for her 6 guests. Seahorse 2, 82 feet long, was built to the highest standard for the Norwegian fjords and life in the high northern latitudes, and is powerful enough to